Hey dolls, welcome back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I am showing a quick run through of some surprise push pops that I created for my son, my daughters, and my niece. Though Thanksgiving has already passed, you can use these for any season or any occasion. I actually created a bridal one with money rolled up on the inside, and it turned out really pretty. Now what I did was, in Design Space, I uploaded a square, unlocked it, and created a rectangle to go around the outside of the push pop. This is going to add a design element, but also hide everything that's going to be on the inside of the push pop. The patterns that you see is actually digital paper that I purchased off of Etsy. And the dimensions for the rectangle, I believe, is 7 inches by 2 inches. The circle, I believe, is 1 inch. But you can see all of this on the screen. Just pause, rewind, to catch up on everything that I'm doing. Now, if you do not have a Cricut maker or a Cricut, you can still use the Design Space software and just cut this stuff out by hand. I use 65-pound cardstock paper. That's what I printed all of this out on. So that's why I wanted to design it in Design Space, because I'm essentially creating my own cardstock paper. Save the project, click make it, and the one tip I would give you at this point would be to keep the bleed option on, because I wanted this to be a edge to edge print. Once I got done with that, I just followed the prompts in the design software and went ahead and cut all of this out. Now, again, these are push pops, so you can just go on Amazon, look up push pops, and purchase them. I believe there was like a bulk pack of 25, if I'm not mistaken, that I use this for. And you guys, I have been using these for a little bit of everything. And it's fun. It's just a great thing to personalize for so many different occasions. The kids love them. It's a couple days after the holiday, and they are still like using the actual container for clay, for slime. They're using it for a little bit of everything. But I put taffies inside of them, and the reason why I did that was because I knew if I was giving them candy, I didn't want them to get it all over the house. So I wanted to make sure that they had a place to put their candy right back inside of. And that's why I thought the push pops would be a good idea for them on this one. Once the machine is done cutting everything out, just peel everything off of the mat. You could do one of two things. You can peel it off. You can use your Cricut spatula, or you can just flip the mat over and pull the mat away from the project, which is what I normally do, so that my papers do not get any curling. Now, as far as any decorations, what you'll see at the end is I use the papers that I created. I also used ribbon. I used some washi tape and some foam adhesive leaves that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and they were in a pack of Thanksgiving stickers, and I just matched the leaves to the paper. And then I used crinkle paper on the inside so that the kids couldn't see what was in there. And that was it. I'll have a clip at the end so you can see what it looks like when they pop there. I had so much fun playing with these. And if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them below. Please be sure to thumbs up. It does help my videos. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. I hope you all enjoy, and happy holidays. Have a gorgeous day, dolls. Smooches. Mwah. Bye.